Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I am so glad that you are here. Today is a special edition in our Christmas Carol Blitz. Today is the official shoulda showered, but nothing that a hat can't fix edition of Sign Language Worship. Didn't like the way my hair looked, but didn't want to stop the fun, so I figured I'm gonna throw on a hat made by my beautiful friend Adele, and then we learn to sign that way. Today we're gonna learn Angels We Have Heard on High, specifically the version sung by Chris Tomlin. But before we get started, some reminders. Remember, I'm left-handed. So that means if you are right-handed, you're gonna mirror my signs at home. If you look below this video, in the description, you'll find links to print off the lyrics or purchase the song. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any future songs, because your favorite might be coming up. Okay, so let's get started right away with verse number 1. Angels We Have Heard on High. So angels is one that we've learned, or we've signed a lot during this month. Okay, so you're gonna kind of show the angel wings. Okay, so angels. Now you're making a W, it's just like us, and you're going from your dominant shoulder to your non-dominant shoulder. This song though is actually pretty quick, so you probably won't have time for we. It's just angels. And then heard. So for that, you have your thumb at your ear, and then you kind of make quotation marks with your second and third finger. When we first learned, I kind of just told you to do this, but this is actually the ASL sign. Okay, but if you did this, people would know what you mean as well. And then on high, you're making an H, and you're just moving it high. Okay. Sometimes I do that with 2 hands, but it doesn't matter. You can do it with 1. Okay, so angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing over the plains. So sweetly, you kind of have your fingers at your chin like this and just pull them down sweetly, 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 and then singing. Non-dominant hand out, dominant hand is moving back and forth. Okay, sweetly singing over. Okay, and then the plains. What you do is you have your non-dominant hand, you kind of show like something growing up between your fingers, and then show ground, okay? Plains, okay? And the mountains in reply. So and is like this, but once again, because it's quick, you're probably just gonna say mountains reply. So that is rock, and then go up, okay? Rock, up. Mountains in reply, so in answer, kind of have your 2 fingers here, one at your chin, one out here, and then you kind of go to the side. Answer. Okay, answer. Echoing their joyous strains. So echoing, we're going to do repeating, and so for that, you have 2 fingers like this, and you start at one side, and then you bring them in, kind of in that quotation marks position, then you move them here, and then put them out again, okay? Like that, okay? Echoing their joyous strains. So joyous is happy, okay? So your hands in at your ribs like this, happy, and then strains, we're gonna do songs again. They're happy songs, okay? So let's try that from the top. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Okay, let's try it one more time, and then we'll move on to the chorus. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Okay. And now on to the chorus. You're gonna love this chorus. It's nice and simple. So, Gloria, okay? And because it goes glow and goes on for a really long time, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, because trust me, you have that much time. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, you have your non-dominant hand out. You're gonna touch it with your middle finger and kind of wiggle your hand out like that, okay? So Gloria in excelsis Deo. I had to Google to learn what that meant. So a little lesson or Latin lesson for you today. Excelsis Deo means God in the highest. Okay, so God is a B down the middle of your face. And then once again, highest, we know that, and H moving high. Okay, so the chorus. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Just realizing that's the very first time that I've sung for you guys. I sing lots, but I always, block myself out and you just hear the professional. God in the highest. Okay? That is the chorus. So why don't we try top to bottom, verse 1 in the chorus, and then we'll call it quits for today. Okay? So angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Okay, and then the chorus, Gloria in excelsis Deo, and then that repeats, Gloria in excelsis Deo. Okay, and that is part 1 of learning angels we have heard on high. Tomorrow we're going to learn verse 2 and verse 3, and then we'll put it all together after that. I hope you're having a great day. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.